Okay, so here we are in the airport, and it is very abandoned.
Hello.
Good morning. Now we are going to put makeup on Steve because he needs it.
I see you really dressed up for the occasion.
What? I like these shoes.
Well, I'm looking more at the pants than the shoes, but okay.
These are my favorite pants.
So here we are at the airport today, and we are waiting to film. I'm going to get my makeup on now.
Your turn.
Okay.
Alright, back to makeup. Okay.
My hair.
It's the same from yesterday.
Okay, where do we flip this? I want you in there, I don't want me.
Stop it, and then it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you feeling?
I'm hungry, and
Yeah?
I'm cold,
And cold?
and I'm in love with this guy's British accent. It wasn't recording. All right, so it is 10:30, and we're ready to go. And Aguli is amazing. She did my hair and makeup for me. My husband just got here, so I think we'll start soon. Are you ready, Steve?
I'm ready.
He's like, I've been ready since 9 o'clock.
It's showtime.
We're finally ready to start.
Quiet on the set.
Okay, I should be quiet now. See, his shoes are the same as my shoes. Because we're MFEO. Made for each other.
Oh, I like the soulmates better.
Listen.
Yeah, soulmates.
It's a pun.
Wow.
It's so cold, and I'm so hungry, and I lost my phone. I think. Do you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He's like, stop talking. I'm okay.
It's the voices in my head.
I can see it right here. This is the man I chose to marry. We had tea. We have tea. I didn't know we had tea.
What do you think you were drinking?
Well, I thought it was bought or something. I didn't know we just had it right there. Kimba has officially gone crazy. She's so tired that she can't even function. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow.
Steve looking like majestically into the airport. I spy mine, it's our planes.
Look, Mommy, it's planes.
So we just filmed the first scene with us, and now they are rearranging to film the next one.
Why are those men running out on the tarmac with guns?
What?
Mommy.
Mom,
Mommy.
mommy, mother.
Mommy.
So we have mics, and
Does that
there's
make me a magic
the
wand?
sound guy who hears everything we say. And so I think he wants to kill us because we keep like singing and doing dumb stuff. Here's the sound guy. Where's this guy? You see him? That guy now knows all of our deepest secrets. Can I go to the bathroom really quick? 5 minutes. What? Really? Is this? Can I come in here? Well, how is this gonna help me? They're all urinals! So, in recent news, I dropped my microphone in the toilet. Say hi. Movie Steve. And wait, where am I? Oh, there I am. We've been singing Uptown Funk with the sound guy.
Stop. Wait a minute. My cup is in the candy.
And I think everyone here wants to kill us.
Hello. Damn.
Yes, my baby, I love her. So we are happy now because we're back in the van and we have nice fun. You wanna play the animal game?